Okay guys, flip it over on the back. Kind of already started, so just let's see. It says on Mrs. Berger's shelf there are 6 mystery books, 2 history books, 3 adventure books. Miss Berger will select a book at random based on the information. Which statement is true? So we're looking for which of these answer choices is true. So let's read A. It says the book is more likely to be history than an adventure book. So we're comparing history and adventure. Okay. The inequality symbol in the middle is my greater than symbol. I want you to write leg again so you know which symbol to use. If it's more, then we're using the greater than symbol. So I have H is greater than A. So now I'm going to plug in my numbers. History is 2. 2 is greater than adventure, which is 3. So let's read it. It says 2 is greater than 3. Is that true or false? That's false. I'm going to cross that off. The next one, it says B. The book is less likely to be mystery than an adventure or history. So we see or, we are adding. So we're going to write it out. It says mystery is less likely. I'm going to use my less than sign. Than history plus adventure. Okay. So now let's plug in my numbers. I have 6 for mystery. History is 2 plus adventure, which is 3. So I'm going to add those two together. I get 6 is less than 5. Is that true or false? That is false. So I'm going to cross this off. The next one says the book is more likely to be mystery than all other books combined. So we're comparing mystery is more likely, so I'm using my greater than sign, than all other books. Well, the other 2 books are just history and adventure. So I'm going to put H plus A. So plug in my numbers. 6 is greater than 2 plus 3. So just rewrite it. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 6 is greater than 5. Is that true or false? That's true. This is my answer. Now I'm going to go ahead and do D because we haven't seen equally. This is what it's going to look like. The book is equally likely to be adventure or history. So you're comparing adventure equals history. I'm going to plug in my numbers. Adventure is 3 and history is 2. 3 is equal to true. Is that true or false? It's false. So that was not my answer. The check-in, I'm going to read it for you and you are going to do it by yourself. I'm going to give you 4 minutes to do it. It says Lisa is setting up the tables for a party. 4 of the tables are covered in blue tablecloths. Now I'm going to put the 4 on top of that because that's confusing to me. I know they're talking about 4 blue tablecloths. And 8 tablecloths are covered with green. So we're going to put that 8 there. Guests will randomly be seated at the tables when they arrive based on the information. What is not true? If it's not true, I'm looking for false. Okay. So let's go ahead and write it out. 4 blue tablecloths and 8 green tablecloths. So when you do this, I want to see where you write out your statement and then where you plug in your numbers. Okay. For example, it says the probability of a guest sitting at a blue table is less than the probability of sitting at a green table. So it's going to be blue is less than green, right? I want to see you write your statement. Then you're going to plug in your numbers. And you're going to tell me, is it true or false? Remember, we're looking for the one that's false, okay? When you are finished, raise your hand so I can come by and check it.